To enable notification buds for doorbell ringing alert in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap sound notification and then tap open sound notification. Next, tap the setting icon at the top right. Under preferences section, tap sound types. While the alert for sound notification is set to allow sound and vibration and batch switcher is on, tap notification categories. Under priority section, tap doorbell ringing. While the alert for doorbell ringing notification is set to alert, tap the gray on off switch next to app icon badges to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. When you choose this setting, when sound notification feature is on and it detects doorbell ringing, your phone will show notification buds on the sound notification app icon. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.